To schedule an academic coaching appointment, visit the Office of Academic Success website and click on Academic Coaching. Then select Schedule Academic Coaching. This will open the Office of Academic Success calendar. Once on the calendar, click Academic Coaching and make sure it turns red. This will show you all available coaching dates for the next month. If you have a preference for a specific academic coach, select the name from the drop-down. If you do not have a preference for your academic coach, simply select a date and time that works with your schedule. You will be scheduled with the academic coach that is available at that date and time. Moving down the form, you want to make sure to include your name, email address, and phone number. If there are any specific notes regarding the day or time of your appointment, please leave them in the notes box. The remainder of the form will ask you information about your program and what you're hoping to discuss during your coaching session. Please make sure to select the campus that you take your primary courses on and the area of academic success you'd like to discuss. These topics will be general. You'll have an opportunity to elaborate on what you would like to speak about during your coaching session in the box below. Before submitting the form, please make sure to select your program and level and then hit the book button. Once you've booked, you'll receive an email confirmation to the email provided on the form that will remind you of the date and time you've scheduled an appointment. 24 hours prior to your appointment, you'll receive an email confirmation from the Office of Academic Success, which will include the Zoom link for you to begin your session. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Office of Academic Success.